Hey guys, so I just came back from the OnePlus 6 launch event in New York, and let's do a quick unboxing and also give my brief thoughts on it. Alright guys, so I'm pretty exhausted, it's almost midnight, was waiting in line for a few hours to pick up the phone, but I'll talk real quickly about the launch event. So you got this free bag right there, and it's actually pretty nice material. So yeah, if you went and got this free bag, you got this free hat, and I think a couple other things inside here. So yeah, free case. We got free ice cream as well, and OnePlus stickers. So let's unbox the phone, and it looks to be a pretty standard OnePlus box. And let's get out the unboxing knife. Alright, so yeah, we have the 6 right there on the front. But aside from that, I think it's pretty similar. Wow. Guys, as you can tell, I'm pretty tired right now. I do want to get the video out as soon as possible, but yeah, be careful of that. So this is the OnePlus 6. That is the first drop test. Seems to be in pretty good condition still. And we'll take a closer look in a few seconds. Alright, so we got, I think this is like the SIM card and the manuals. Alright, so we got another case. And some instructions, stickers, some instructions, and the SIM card ejector. And we also have the Type-C cable. And the wall adapter. Alright guys, so let's do a closer look at the phone. And let's just put on this free case real quick. So yeah, probably not gonna provide that much protection, but it looks pretty cool. And let me just also put on the free case from the launch event. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That's like a granite type material. And I do like the look of that. And it's going to power it on real quick. And there's a brief look at the bezel screen display, so you do have the notch right there at the top. So yeah guys, again, it's pretty late. I did want to get this video out real quick for you all, but I know not the most in-depth. But regardless guys, this week is going to be all about the OnePlus. Lots and lots and lots of OnePlus videos planned. So as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. And lots of videos coming pretty soon.